Golf ball. It is one of the most recognizable designs in all of sports. What makes the golf ball so unique is not just its small shape, but hundreds of small impressions or dimples on its surface. Early golfers using smooth balls realized that the more they used the ball, the farther it would go. Golfers noticed that their older balls, the ones beaten up with nicks and scratches, were flying farther than the new ones. So, experimenting with different patterns, golfers realized that dimples were best. When air flows around a smooth surface, the air separates and goes around the ball. The air does not join back behind the ball, creating a detached airflow behind the ball. This causes a low pressure zone on the downstream of the ball, which causes drag. But when air goes around the dimpled ball, a tiny pocket of turbulence or air disturbance is created on the surface. This tiny pocket of turbulence allows the closer layer of air to travel tighter around it. A more attached airflow creates a smaller wake, and thus a smaller low pressure zone is created, which means less drag. A golf ball with dimples will go almost twice as far as a golf ball without dimples. You can experiment with wakes if you paddle your hand through water at different angles. If you lead with your palm, you will see a big triangular wake behind your hand, and you will notice that it becomes much more difficult to move your hand through the water. But if you turn your hand sideways, the wake becomes much smaller and your hand passes through the water much more easily. So this is the reason behind the dimple golf balls. Thank you. See you in the next video.